What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? Ken Low Roller Swirls.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, everyone, for being here. As always, appreciate everyone. Did you watch Network 126 video? No, I didn't get the chance, sorry. But I'll try to watch it tonight. I just had some stuff to do last night and this morning. So I didn't watch that yet, but if we have time, we can watch it later. Well, I don't know. Maybe the shorter one. I don't know about all that cursing and stuff, but no, I didn't get a chance to watch it, so I'll watch it tonight when I get a chance. And here comes the first siren of the day. Great way to start, right? Being sarcastic. Did Ryan Cohen announce he's selling 9 million shares of Bed Bath & Beyond? Yes, he did. Which is breaking news right here. 15 minutes ago. Form 114, sell $9.5 million shares. To sell $9.5 million shares in the stock. And it's getting wrecked here in the aftermarket. It's down to under 22 now. So we'll keep an eye on this. But yeah, so someone said on Discord, I think it was 1010 actually. He said there was a rumor that there was going to be a what do you call it? An offering soon. I'm not hearing any news of that, but speculation there. And yes, it is confirmed Cohen did sell his entire stake, which I did say yesterday. He's gonna sell it soon if he didn't already. And then I got a bunch of hate. No, he's not. Check the form. Check the filing. He didn't sell anything. And today, he did sell. So I knew that was gonna happen. Man, these apes are crazy. The apes really thought that this guy was gonna hold till 60 to 80. Oh, he bought $60 calls. He's holding diamond handing till 60, bruh. So yeah, Ryan Cohen just took a giant dump on the apes. And still trading like crazy in the aftermarket here. But yes, he did, and we'll get to that in a second. But yeah, still crazy price action right now in the aftermarket. But it did go guh. It did go major guh. Well, I guess it's still up for the day, but yeah, major guh, down from 30 down to 22 now. I am PP 2% today. I'm still minus 79%. Oh man, that sucks. Yeah, hang in there, dude. It might be a while, but you know, eventually you should get your money back. And I'm wondering why that's not squeezing, because everything else is squeezing. But yeah, dude, you might be in that for the long term. Maybe you might want to consider averaging down. Not financial advice, but you know, I'm glad you made some money back there today. I'm on vacation looking free bonus on skill game. All right, good luck to you, low roller. AMC Guh, Cisco Mooning got my short order at 49. Okay, we'll check out. So yes, AMC did go good today. Honorable mention. We're not gonna talk about it. I don't like analyzing AMC because the chart, there's really nothing too crazy on the TA, honestly. But yeah, honorable mention AMC. Fubo also went good. So yeah, a few honorable mentions here. We'll get to that in a second. But meme stocks are starting to pull back. Offering confirmed Bed Bath. Well, what up 1010 Beelzebub and Eddie?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you everyone for being here. Appreciate everyone as always. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Yeah, offering confirmed Bed Bath & Beyond. Really? Where are you seeing that? 1010. I know he said on Discord that it's a rumor. I'm not seeing any confirmation of that, but I do see confirmation that Ryan Cohen sold his entire stake, 9.5 million shares. So yeah, just curious. Where do you see that? I believe you, but I'm not seeing it here at IBKR yet. Maybe on TD? No, I don't see it on TD either. So maybe it'll pop up in a second here, but I sure don't see any confirmation on an offering. But that would do it. You know, offering plus Ryan Cohen dumping everything, that would do it. So yeah, we'll see if that updates soon here. But it's now below 4% in the aftermarket. It's still green, but oh, there it goes.
And it's gone.
Below 3% now. It's pushing 21. We're at 3. Oh, there we go. 2.5.
And it's gone.
Yep. Yep. This may not stay in the red for much longer. Or in the green for much longer. So, you know, I try to warn the apes. I tried to warn the apes. But, you know, don't listen to this guy. Diamond hands. Ryan Cohen's not selling diamond hands. And then, come on, we all knew how this was going to happen. How this was going to go. So, it's still green in the aftermarket, but I'm slowly watching it bleed, and it's probably going to go red pretty soon. Is Bed Bath & Beyond momentum slowing? Absolutely, absolutely. Not as much volume, and we're getting some pretty bearish PR right now. Again, Ryan Cohen dumping his stake and possibly an offering. So yes, I think the squeeze is over. Can't confirm, you know, no guarantees, but I think the squeeze is over. That's what I said last time also. But no, actually, this time I think it's over. I think 30 was the top. Like, it literally hit 30. There were, like, massive sell orders at 30. Everyone dumped at 30. And I think that's it. We'll see. Now it's below 2%. 1.6% now. At 21. Below 21. Pushing 20 now. Yep. I'm watching it go. Live go right here. Below 1% now. Below 1%. Holy crap. It's going in the red. It's going in the red. This is crazy. This is absolutely nuts. Alright. RIP to BBBY. Where's my memes at? RIP. Oh, there it goes. Officially in the red. Officially in the red now. Oh, wrong button. My bad.
And it's gone.
Now it's down 1%. Down 1%. So yeah, RIP to that, and I give him the doomer. Shout out to all the apes. This is for you. Where is it? I just had it. There it is. Back to McDonald's. Back to Wendy's for you. Oh, now it's negative 3%. It's pushing 20 now. Oh my god. This is totally insane. This is totally insane. What is going on? What is going on? I still don't see anything about an offering. But yeah, Ryan Cohen's selling. Alright, let's catch up with some comments here. Why crypto tanking today? It didn't tank that much. I think it's just some healthy pullback. What's good IMPP new load today, but at least finished green. Yeah, so yeah, Eddie and Ken, you guys are both stuck in IMPP. So really sucks. Sorry about that. But you know, hang in there. It may be a while before it comes back up. But it'll have its day again. Can IMPP go to $9? Can go to $9 in one day? I mean, anything is possible. It would take a massive short squeeze. I think it happened before, right? I don't know if it went to 9, but last time it did squeeze pretty high, so it definitely is possible. But you may be holding for a while. Cohen sold his entire stake. Yep, confirmed. Yep. Wow, Cohen said F you on your puts. Cohen said I'm gonna Cohen knows what he's doing. Cohen should get investigated by the SEC. I don't know. Like is that not manipulation? The guy announces his like he knew what he was doing. You know, huge leaps not FDs, but huge leaps, crazy strikes, trying to rally the apes, and then he just dumped it on all the apes. So I don't think he's really on your side, on the ape side. Guess who sold $400 worth of AMC 2350 puts yesterday? Clown on me? Alright, if you want it, dude. No, in all seriousness, it seems like you've been doing pretty good lately. You've been posting your plays on Discord, and seems like you've been winning most of the time. So you can't win them all. Sucks, sorry about that. But hey, at least you're not in the red, though. Ryan Cohen tweeted he didn't sell? Yeah, but it's an official filing. That doesn't make sense. Is he lying? He definitely did sell because it's an official filing. Unless he's lying on the filing, which would be really bad. No, this is confirmed. He did file a document with the SEC. So, not sure what's going on here. But he definitely did sell. Or, that's what the filing says. And, you know, you can't lie on a filing. What the hell, FUD ladder attack is dumping? Yeah, it's dumping hard. Clown on me for moving my short sell to 50 on Cisco. Yeah, we gotta check out Cisco in a sec here. Under $20. Yeah, it's now pushing 5% down. It's under $20, pushing 19 now. Will it go bankrupt? I don't think so. If they're smart, they would do an offering. I'm okay with bankruptcy. That's the most. Yeah, well, in this market, this stuff is crazy. Calls, not puts. Yeah, said F your calls. He said, I'm going to decide when the top is. Now. Any update? Zach Morris, stock pick of the day. I don't even follow that guy, and you guys shouldn't either. Bed Bath & Beyond announced $9 million share offering. Where are you guys seeing it? Oh, what up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Where are you guys seeing this? Where are you guys seeing this this stock offering? I don't see anything about a stock offering. I believe you guys. I'm just not seeing it on IBKR. I don't see it in the news on TD. Can you guys link me where you see this? Where does it say that there's a share offering? Now it's back. Now it's back. Now it's back to zero. No, now it's back in the red. Crazy price action here. I'm looking at the Schedule 13D on Bed Bath & Beyond Investor Relation. Ryan Cohen listed as the reporting person, sold 9.45 million. Yeah, Tencent said he's backtracking on share offering. Don't see that. Yeah, so he did sell, but I'm not seeing anything about share offering here. Punk Skater, where do you see the share offering? I don't see that, but we'll keep an eye on that. The person said he wants to sell Bed Bath & Beyond in the chat yesterday. Hope he sold today. Yeah, I forgot who it was, but I could have told you this was going to happen. Anyway, guys, so thanks everyone for being here. A lot of people in here nice and early. We just spent 15 minutes just chilling. Let's get started with the show. Please smash the like button, guys. Please, thank you. All right, so today is Wednesday, August 17th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Go. Yeah, everything in the red today. All major indexes. And crypto as well, but it doesn't seem too bad. Seems like some healthy pullback. We were long overdue for some pullback here on the major indexes, especially SPY. So yeah, guys, got a great show for you guys today. Gonna have to improvise a little bit because Bed Bath & Beyond is doing some crazy stuff right now. But yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. We have 5 articles today. Or 6, my bad. 6 articles. 2 about Celsius. Got some updates on that. 1 about Akala, which we covered, I think, earlier in the week. Or last week. Can't remember. But we have an update on Akala. 1 about Genesis. They're in trouble. 1 about the Fed minutes, which was the big news today. And 1 about the monkeypox update. So, yeah, a lot of articles. A lot of news to get to. And today for the TA, we are going to go over Bed Bath & Beyond and BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, and BBIG, Vinco Ventures. So same thing as yesterday. Same stocks as yesterday, just with my updated take. These were the hot stocks on StockTwits today. And a few honorable mentions. Yeah, so AMC honorable mention. Wow, it's down 16% now. What the hell happened there? AMC honorable mention. BBIG Fubo honorable mention. So that one was mooning yesterday. I was debating about doing a video on that, but ultimately didn't. We're talking about today, down 17%, but we got more important stuff to talk about. BBIG and Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, 3,200 mentions there, honorable mention. JCSE. Oh, that pulled back quite a bit. Never mind. Yeah, so AMC and Fubo, honorable mentions. Not going to talk about those. So, yeah, we're just going to do Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG again today. Going to be more or less the same from yesterday, just with the updated price action. And today for the Yolos, that should be fun. Not too many. I think we have like 8 or 9. A bunch of memes, like half memes and some actual gain corn / Yolos. So what was gain corn is probably a lot of lost corn right now. So the YOLO should be fun. And there should be a lot of lost corn coming soon. Maybe we can take a look and wing it, or we'll just wait until tomorrow. But yeah, the lost corn should be coming in pretty soon here on Bed Bath & Beyond. But yeah, guys, we have quite a bit to get through today, so I'm expecting to go 2 to 2.5 hours today. Yesterday I said 2 hours, right? And then we end up going almost 3. So we always end up going like half an hour later than we're supposed to. So I think 2 hours today, so we're probably going to end up going 2.5 to 3 hours. But we'll see. And Wednesdays are pretty decent for live streaming. There's a lot of people already in here. So I don't expect like a crazy amount of people, but it'd be nice if a lot of people come in and chat. Always a pleasure. Change the title to Bed Bath & Beyond Tanking? Yeah, I probably should. I don't know. Because it's not exactly tanking. It's, it's actually still... It's still in the green, actually, from where it started today. So I'm going to keep it for now. Nope, it's coming back up. Yeah, a little bit. That cat bounce. You already know. See what it does tomorrow. Rivian down 4.7%. Keep on deleting. You got puts, right? All right, congrats to you, 1010. Is Willie on? I want to holler at his aunt. Not right now. Maybe he'll get on in a little bit. I think he's just trolling, though. I think he's just joking around, I don't think he actually has a hot aunt. But it's pretty funny. Is BBIG triple MOAS yet? No, but a gamma squeezed. and the apes should probably hit the sell button before it goes down. All right, got you, low roller. I have a 22.5 put on Bed Bath & Beyond expiring August 26. Good idea. RSI was over 70. 4-hour MACD about to cross down. Okay. It's hard to answer that, Punk Skater, because there's a lot of factors that go into options, so all the Greeks, Delta, Gamma, Vega, Theta, IV. My biggest concern is IV. So, that most definitely is going to finish in the money, but the IV may be so high that you still actually lose money. So, I do like it, but maybe you might want to dump it like now or in the morning while the IV is still high. So if you bought it for high IV, you have to sell it for high IV. That's my only concern. So it's pretty risky. It should finish in the money though, so you just may be a little disappointed because it's gonna go down a lot, and then you might not make that much money in the end. So not financial advice, but I would look to sell pretty soon while the IV is still high. So I hope that answers your question, Punk Skater. And really nice catch there. Really, really nice catch. Do you think Meta will hold 175? I don't know. I gotta look at it. So we'll look at Cisco and Meta once we switch the screen here. Got a lot of news for us, huh? Low roller? Alright, we'll get to that. What up, Monir? Monir, Peasy, and Kyle. What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone as always. I think Kyle's new, so welcome to the show and the community. That guy make me excited for nothing. Who? Rara Coco? IV was crazy on Bed Bath & Beyond. Over 600%. Really? 600%? Let me check it. Yeah, it is. Well, for August 26th, it's 422. Almost 420. For August 19th, it's 625% IV. So, yeah, it's not going to go much higher than that. So, Punk Skater, I'd probably just dump first thing in the morning, to be completely honest. Or maybe just hold it one day. Just dump very soon. Like, definitely by Friday. Close it out by the end of the week. That's what I would do. So, maybe tomorrow you can catch another big dip, but I would definitely sell this while the IV is high. Inverse tie, Bed Bath and Bed Bath and Beyond. Inverse me. What did I say? I said go short, right? So you should go long. Hey, you know what? You apes can do whatever you want, but I'm the voice of reason here. You know, I consider myself the voice of reason, the logical voice. Saying to not ape. I'm not saying don't ape. I'm saying ape at your own risk. Probably paid $5-ish bucks, so you need Bed Bath & Beyond at $17.50 by expiration. That seems pretty reasonable. It should go down there. No NBA game on election day to make sure Democrats win midterm election. I did see that. I think that's the first time ever, right? Bed Bath & Beyond is good. Is dipping. What price do you think is good entry? $6.50. If you, I know you've seen my previous videos one here, but yeah, my stance is still the same. $6.50. It's definitely coming back down there at some point. So, yes, I think $6.50 and lower. 600% for this week, 420-ish for next week. Yeah, so I definitely think selling tomorrow or Friday is the move. Ryan selling bullish or bearish? How in the world would that ever be bullish? That's straight up bearish. I don't know. The apes will find a way. The apes will find a way to spin it and make it bullish. But ain't no way that's bullish. That's straight up bearish. No, I'm joking, fam. You the dude. No, I know you're kidding, dude. Very bearish. Dump a lot of shares. Don't think price will go up. Yeah, well, yeah, he just whaled it. He just whale dumped it on everyone. So, is that your leader? Is that your savior? And I called it. I said he was going to dump. And the apes were like, no, he's not. No, he's not. Anyway. So, okay, we spent a whole 25 minutes just chilling in the beginning here. The intro. So, let's get started with the show, guys. It's probably going to be a long show, but that's fine. A lot of people in here nice and early. A lot of chat already, so I can already tell it's going to be a great show. Just maybe long, but that's all right. All right, let's get started, everyone. Appreciate everyone. Where's my memes?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Cool. All right, there we go. Uh, 1010 says 10 to 15. Yeah, I'm going to say 650, even lower than that. Yeah, that's exactly. I bought a put, the IV. Yeah, that's exactly, but yeah, I don't know what you're saying there, Punk Skater. A little bit of grammar. But the IV screwed me. Yeah, well, it's a learning lesson, you know? That's why I'd rather just straight up go short than buy options during stuff like, during squeezes like that. But everything's a learning lesson. And you should be able to still make money. But yeah, I would definitely dump soon to ensure that you do make money. Hungry Guy celebrating 1,000 subs today. Congrats to him. But no free advertisement here. Oh, that's why I bought a put. The IV. Yeah, that's why exactly I bought a put. The IV screwed me. Yeah, selling tomorrow ASAP. Yeah, that seems like that seems like a plan, dude. Selling tomorrow or a Friday for sure. I think is the move. All right, guys, let's quickly look at some. What are you looking at? Cisco and Meta for you guys. And let me just check YouTube real quick. How many likes in here? People and likes. 15 viewers, 11 likes. All right, so a lot of people in here, 15 likes. Thank you guys for that. But let's get those likes up. Let's get those likes up. We got 15 viewers, 11 likes. So yeah, so if you haven't yet, guys, please smash that like button. Please and thank you.
I appreciate you.
All right. So Cisco. So what Zach said, short Cisco at 50. Well, there is the gap here at 48. And there still appears to be more upside to go. It's not quite overbought and overvalued just yet. So, I like it, dude. I like a short at 48. 48 to 50, yeah. I go with 48. 48, but yeah, 50, But definitely do it. That'd definitely be an excellent entry. And there is a gap up to fill here at 45. So, yeah, if you can short this down at 48 and higher, I think that's an excellent entry. I like it. You know, just don't hold on for it for too long. You gotta quick scalp it. This is you know, Cisco is a blue chip value stock. But yeah, I like a short at 45, 48. And what else we looking at? Meta. What did you want to know, Punk Skater? Do you think Meta will hold 175? No. No, I don't. Gap up here. 169. 170-ish. So it'll probably come back down here. 170-ish before it goes to the upside again. I think there's a little bit of downside to go. But, you know, long term, really bullish. All right, good stuff. Let's get to the watch list now. Cool. All right, guys. And let me keep this on. Keep an eye on Bed Bath & Beyond here. Man, I got rejected too many times at 180. Well, you know, at some point it's going to have to break through. Now's a good time to buy. You know, it's near the yearly low. All right, let's do it here. Let's do it here, guys. So the Dow Jones down 0.5%, Nasdaq down 1.21%, and the S&P down 0.72%. So go. What the hell? My bad, guys. I just got a text. My Amazon delivery driver texted me. What? That's never happened to me before. That ever happened to you guys? Your Amazon driver is texting you? What do you say? Alright, whatever. He just texted me he delivered my package. I guess that's nice. Never had that happen before. Amazon driver trying to scam you? That's what I thought at first, but no, it's legit. I went into the actual app, and he said he's delivering it now. So, nice courtesy. Okay, LeBron James signed 2-year contract extension, $98 million? Damn, he got paid, huh? 49 mil? Damn, that's a lot. LeBron raking it in. Yeah, he's definitely going to be millionaire, or billionaire, my bad. All right, what are we at? So, all right, back to this. The VIX is up 1.07%, up 0.21 points. So we're at 19.9 VIX now, which is still pretty good. You know, still below average, under 20. So, actually, the VIX didn't go up too much today. I would expect it to go up more. So, not complaining. A little bit of a gain in the VIX there, but we're doing good on VIX. All right. LeBron James is already billionaire? Really? I didn't know that. Well, if he's not already, he's definitely going to be. Smart businessman. I think Katie's going to be, Kevin Durant's also going to be a billionaire. All right. Let's start here. Let's start on the green side. So BBIG, 23%. We'll analyze that second today after Bed Bath & Beyond. And then Bed Bath & Beyond, 11.77%. Not really. In the aftermarket here, it's down a lot. What's it at now in the aftermarket? If this loads up. 500 BBIG, $3 calls. August 19th, think I'm okay? Like, in 2 days? Are you trolling, dude? That's a different... That's Kyler. I thought it was Kyle. That's Kyler. Are you trolling, dude? It sounds like you're trolling. I hope you're trolling. But if you're not trolling, no, absolutely not. That's pretty rough. So if you're not trolling, hit the sell button. Save yourself some money. That's pretty rough, but, you know, best thing you can do is cut the loss and save yourself some money there. You're not trolling. Okay. Well, yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. So, sorry about that. But yeah, at this point, you should probably just hit the sell button and, you know, just salvage whatever money you can get. So, sorry to hear that, dude. But, you know, everything's a learning lesson. So, sounds like an expensive learning lesson there. But I've been there, you know, buying, like, way out of the money calls, way in over my head. So you live and learn. Westbrook will be billionaire or he will be broke like Allen Iverson when retired. Well, he likes to spend money a lot, Westbrook, so. Probably broke. What's up, Tyler?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Bed Bath & Beyond, 9.5 million share offering. You guys keep saying that, but I don't think there's a share offering. I think Ryan Cohen just dumped his stake. I still don't see anything in a share offering. I think you guys are confusing the share offering with Ryan Cohen selling 9.5 million shares. If you guys have an article saying there's an offering, please link it. But I don't think there's an offering. I think he's just selling his stake. But we'll keep an eye on that. A little bit of confusion going on right now. I don't think there's an offering. All right. Back to this. So not much on the green side. TBLT is up 11%. AERC up. IMPP up 2.55%. Really nothing in the green here. Oil's up. Exxon, Chevron, BP. Apple, yeah, Apple's holding up the whole market today. Up 0.88%. Costco's up as well. Domino's, Wells Fargo, Walmart, McDonald's. So not much in the green here. Just, you know, a few select meme stocks going nuts. And on the red side, not going to spend too much time here, because mostly everything's in the red. But we got Fubo, 15.6%, which honorable mention, we're not going to do it today. AMC, honorable mention, 14%. A lot of other meme stocks here. Express, Groupon, Wish. Damn, Wish went down 10%. Bruh. SoFi, Riot, MEGL down again. Marathon. So it looks like crypto stocks down as well. Centro, Roku, Mullen. HLBZ, AMTD. Mostly growth up here. I don't see too much value. Peloton, Coinbase. MicroStrategy, Robinhood. Meme index down 4.37% today. GME 4%. I don't see any value for a while here. All right, here we go. So it looks like value is like 3% and lower. Target 2.7, PayPal 2.6, Meta 2.6. Yeah, the Nasdaq did go down a lot today, so tech getting hit here the hardest. But yeah, it looks like China's down. So here's all the value. 3% and lower. Yeah, there we go. Meta, eBay, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Disney, all that good stuff. So, a bit deceiving. This is worse than the indexes would suggest. Not too much price action on the value side, but most of the value in the red, and growth did have a lot of price action. So, pretty much everyone getting wrecked here today. Apes and boomers, except if you went all in Bed Bath & Beyond or something. But even then, you probably got wrecked. Probably, you know, bought at 25 or 30, and now it's down to 20. 21 now. But yeah, pretty bearish. like I said, you would think that the indexes would be lower, but hey, I'm not complaining. So yeah, pretty bearish day here. Pretty bearish day here today in the stock market. Hope you guys didn't get hit too hard. But honestly, we're way overdue for some healthy pullback, so I'm not surprised. Kind of sucks though. But, all right, there's the stock market, guys. Let's move on to crypto. Tencent's holding his Apple puts. Yeah, you know, hope that works out. But you know, pretty bold betting against Apple, but it is due for some pullback technically on the chart. So pre-market 27, nice, Tyler. So you literally exited at the high, near the high. So very, very nice. I'm glad you were able to escape there before the go. So give you the money. What up, Wen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, as always. Please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Please, thank you. ARK, which is most of the names we track in meme land. Yeah, ARK and the meme index. There was a joke about that. It's a, it's pretty much the same thing. ARK down 5.3%. Boomer stocks did okay today. Yeah, most of them are down, but not too much down. Thanks for the advice. Well, none of this is financial advice, but I'm glad you were able to, you know, make some pretty fat gains there. If you want, you can leave me a little tip. No, I'm just kidding. All right. What are we doing? Crypto time. Right, crypto time. Let me check YouTube real quick one more time. But it's been a great show so far. Where are we at now? 13 viewers, 16 likes. All right, so a few people dipped, but the like count went up. So thanks for that. We're already at 16 likes. 40 minutes in the show. So we're like low-key on track to break the record. So keep it up, guys. Please smash the like button. Please, thank you. And we didn't even really get to the important part of the show yet. All right, give me 1 second. Let me pull up crypto and the articles today. Damn, crypto's going down, huh? That sucks. BBIG pulled me back in towards the end of the day. We'll see if I lose all my gains tomorrow. Yeah, when? So, I did see you posted on Discord. I think you made a profit and then you went back for it. So I'm not sure how the second time went. But yeah, congrats to you on today's gain, and I hope that works out for you, the double dip. All right. Crypto time. Let's just give this couple more seconds to finish loading, and we'll get started here. Gonna take a quick drink. What is Bed Bath & Beyond at now? Now it's back in the red. Now it's pushing 20 again. Okay. Yeah, so I think it's over. I think it's over, guys. Yeah, it's pushing 20 again. Right in the aftermarket. But not Bed Bath & Beyond. BBIG is running in the aftermarket. Pretty hard, too. Alright. Yeah, made 1,700, then bought back in, holding overnight again. Alright, dude. So not financial advice, but I would, probably setting a stop loss is... Just put a stop loss somewhere in there. And some of you guys have been mentioning Party City. Apparently, Party City is gonna squeeze soon. Not saying it will, but you guys are saying that. Some of you guys in the community. All right, let's do it here, guys. So here's crypto. That is down 1.93% today. So that's not that good. Not, terrible, but that's pretty bad. So let's check it out. Bitcoin down 2.3%, Ether down 1.7%. Binance 2.5, XRP up 1.6, Cardano down 4.3, Solana down 5, Doge down 4, Sheep down 4.5. A lot of red. I don't see much green. Ether Classic, Leo are up. Cosmos. Don't see much green here. Oh, EOS is up 13%. Big gain there. Looks like the biggest gainer. Let's sort this out. But I see a lot of red. But it looks like the price action wasn't too crazy today. Just most of the coins in the red. Let's sort it out. You've been in Party City store? Not in years, but yes. Oh, Celsius is the biggest gainer. Okay. So let's see here. Let's quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so 11 coins in the green. We'll just call it 10% of the coins in the green. 90% in the red. So not many coins in the green here. Biggest gainer is Celsius, 20%. Don't know why that's going up. But okay. And then EOS, 12.4%. And then big drop off from there. After that, it's Leo, 3.74%. And there is a decent amount of value here. Leo, number 20. XRP, 6. Ether Classic, 19. But yeah, so not many coins in the green, and price action wasn't too good. So not much going on here on the green side. And on the red side, so 90% of the coins in the red, but the price action wasn't too bad. Biggest loser is Stepin, down 9%. And biggest value loser is Solana, 5.33%. And fair amount of value in the red here too. So yeah, pretty bearish day here in crypto. Again, not terrible, but pretty bad. Most of the coins in the red, although the price action wasn't too bad. But still sucks. Kind of seems like some healthy pullback, though. Kind of expected. But yeah, guys, that is crypto. So, bearish day in the stock market, bearish day in crypto. So, all around good today. Could have been worse. Wasn't the worst thing in the world. It could have been worse. So, I'll take it. But this kind of sucks today. Alright. I haven't been in Party City since I was shopping for my 10th birthday. Yeah, it's been a while. I can understand how that's a meme stock. You can just order from Amazon now, right? What up, Wilson?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, you got a lot of news for us, Slow Roller. We'll get to that in a second here. Let me just finish my stuff. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright. So today, guys, we have 6 articles. 2 about Celsius. 1 about Akala. 1 about Genesis. 1 about the Fed minutes. And 1 about the monkeypox. And then we have a bunch from Low Roller too. So quite a bit of news to get through today. Check it out. First article. Court approves Celsius pleads to sell mined Bitcoin to fund operational expenses. Yeah, so here's just an update on Celsius. You know, we've been covering them for a while now. They're going through some pretty rough stuff right now. So, yeah, they're in bankruptcy filing now. And they got allowed to sell their... they're allowed to sell their Bitcoin that were mined. So they have 3,100 mined Bitcoin. So that is quite a bit of money. But yeah, apparently they're going to run out of funds in October. So they're quickly running out of money. So they got to figure something out here. And it says that the trustees, the U.S. trustees, don't believe that Celsius is going to use their Bitcoin for what they say they're going to do for operational expenses. So yeah, not good for Celsius. They got no more money. They're tapping into money they're not supposed to use, and still the victims are, you know, the biggest losers here. And every day, it seems less and less likely they're going to get their money back. So there's still hope, but this is really not good. So just, more Celsius news here. Bearish Celsius news. And continuing on to that. The hell is this? The ad is a meme. Subscribed. This is your aping. Not subscribed. Here's your bell curve. Your doomer. And here's your Zen master. Subscribe. That's pretty funny. That's a good idea, having memes as ads. Anyway, staying on Celsius. CDPQ loses hope on $150 million Celsius bet. We arrived too soon in a sector in which was in a transition, said CDPQ president and CEO Charles Edmond. Emond. Amond? I don't know. Key takeaways. Canadian pension giant CDPQ is writing off its $150 million investment through Celsius. President and CEO Charles Emond said the fund entered crypto too soon, and the fund intends to avoid cryptocurrency investing going forward. Celsius is one of the most high-profile of several crypto companies that faced insolvencies or bankruptcies this year. All right, so yeah, that's kind of bad. Canadian pension fund. I think it's the second biggest pension in Canada. Bet big on Celsius, and they got wrecked. So, and to be honest, that's not really responsible, whoever's managing the fund. Well, I don't know. Maybe it depends on the total assets in the fund. But, not really good risk management, in my opinion. So, yeah, everyday people, average people, who are doing the right thing, investing responsibly, in a pension, getting wrecked here. So, yeah, Celsius is it's a mess right now. It's a whole ecosystem. Celsius, Voyager, every other struggling crypto firm. So it seems like the bottom is in. Crypto winter is recovering. But every day we get more news on stuff that happened during the crypto winter. It's really sad, really sad. So I don't think it's that big of a deal because they can just write it off. But yeah, that sucks a lot. So be careful, guys. But yeah, just an update on Celsius there. Got some comments. Got to catch up on. Incoming go for Bitcoin, kind of similar to Ryan Cohen dumping on the market. I sure hope not. I need Bitcoin to go up. So hopefully not. Hopefully not. I heard Celsius are doing YOLO by the day trading the customer fund this year. Yeah, they probably were, getting a bit aggressive. Too aggressive. And, they paid the price. My last news today. All right, you got a lot of stuff. We'll get to that. You picked a bad company, the sector crypto, and the company that support it will be fine. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Not a bad sector, but a bad company for sure. And they said they're not going to invest in crypto in the future, which probably is the best thing to do. If you're managing a pension fund, that's actually probably the best thing to do, not investing in crypto. Or if you're going to, put a very small portion in, like 5% at most. Yeah, Ryan Cohen Ventures set to sell 9 million shares within 90 days. I thought he already did. So he didn't sell yet? So is he going to sell, or he already sold? I think he already sold. That's Quebec, not Canada. They're the weird part of Canada. Yeah, I understand. I guess kind of like Alaska or like Montana, something like that, No one really cares. I've been to Canada one time. I've been to like Nova Scotia. So, not really too familiar with that. But yeah. I guess Canadians don't claim people from Quebec. That's why they speak French, right? $150 million is a tiny drop in the bucket. Average pension fund is $20 billion. All right, so yeah, I'm not sure how much money they had in total, but so I guess if they had and they are the second biggest fund in Canada, so yeah, I guess ultimately they're not too affected by that, but bad decision making, bad risk management by the fund managers. Just kidding. This fund is 105 billion. All right, so yeah, that's actually nothing. Still sucks though. Paperwork says he has the right to sell. With the volume today, it's tough to say. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. I think he did. I think he did. I don't think we would get this much price action if he didn't sell. I think he sold. Still a lot of FUD right now. Still, but we know that he's going to sell or he already sold. Yeah, files for the right to sell stake. I guess we gotta check some news out here. Yeah, it doesn't say. It doesn't say if we did or if he did not. No one knows, actually. What I'm reading here. So, nobody knows if he sold or not yet. Oh, damn, it's getting wrecked. Bed Bath & Beyond taking 19 right now. Oof. Yeah, it's getting wrecked. It's below 19 now.
And it's gone.
It has not been confirmed or denied. Yes. No one, well, apparently he tweeted that he did not sell yet. But he's going to very soon. So either he sold or he's going to very soon. Either way, it's bearish. Bed Bath & Beyond chart is fun to watch. How low can it go? It's going way back down. Way back down. 650. And lower. Alright, I think I need to change the title here. Let me just finish up the articles, and let me change the title on the video. But yeah. Wow! 18 now. What the hell? What is going on? What is going on? This is nuts. Wow! It's at 18 now. Well, if 18 won't hold, go to single digits. Show me 17. 17 incoming. 17 incoming. Yep. And the go begins and the go continues. Yep, we all knew this was going to happen. So, yep, a lot of apes got burned. A lot of apes got burned today. We have I'm sure there's a lot of lost corn about to go up. So this should be fun later on in the show when we get to the Yolos. I'm tempted to get like 200 at 18. All right, dude, if you want to, I don't advise that. Am I doing it right? Or are you trolling, dude? Am I doing it right? Yes. If you want to be an ape, you were definitely doing it right. All right, back to this. All right, Alcala recovers 2.97 billion of AUSD, stablecoin minted during exploit. Quick take. Alcala has recovered 2.97 billion AUSD following the security incident on its Polkadot parachain. The team traced 16 addresses that minted more than 3 billion AUSD after misusing a protocol misconfiguration. Alright, so yeah, we covered this earlier in the week. So at first we thought it was a hack. They got exploited and hacked. But apparently they did not get hacked, which is good. You know, that was very scary at first. They just did a misconfiguration, whatever that means. So it looks like they addressed the issue. They fixed it. They burned the tokens, and now things are back on track. Just crazy because the AUSD went to 1 cent, went from $1 to 1 cent, and now it's back to 90 cents. So imagine, damn, we should have bought AUSD at 1 cent, huh? Damn, that would have been crazy. I wonder who bought AUSD at 1 cent. Epic Shad move. Wow. So usually stablecoins do recover. That's why I was thinking about buying Terra, or what, Terra USD, but thank God I didn't. But yeah, from 1 cent from $1 to 1 cent back to 90. Crazy price action on that. So yeah, I'm glad Akala did manage to fix this. I'm glad they did not get hacked, and I'm glad they managed to work this out. And I'm glad the coin is recovering. So just an update there. So just an update there on Akala. Still decent volume, 100K volume on 1 minute candle. Holy poop, Bed Bath and Beyond. Yep, it's now it's holding 18. For now, it's holding 18. Still watching. But critical support 18 right now. All right, next article. Crypto broker Genesis slashes 20% of workforce and announces CEO exit after loans soured. All right, so another crypto firm going under. No surprise here. But yeah, Michael Murrow, who joined Genesis in 2015 and took over as CEO the following year, is leaving the company. Genesis is also slashing 20% of its workforce, or more than 50 jobs. It's not too bad. The company lost money that it loaned to hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital, which filed for bankruptcy. All right, so yeah, at least Genesis is not going bankrupt, and the funds are safe. But they're definitely preparing for a recession, for crypto winter here. So not surprising. A lot of other companies already did this. Coinbase, and FTX, I think. So bearish, but the right thing to do, being responsible here. Preserving capital. And yes, they are also a victim of 3 Arrows Capital. So it kind of sucks, but I'm glad they're surviving at least, and the funds are safe. But yeah, another crypto firm, Genesis, taking precautionary measures here. All right. Now Bed Bath & Beyond's coming back to 19. All right, this was the big news today. Fed minutes. All right. Fed sees interest rate hikes continuing until inflation eases substantially. Minutes show. All right, so pretty much, yeah, so the minutes was today. And same as every other time we have minutes, the Fed minutes. Nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing changed. They say they're not going to pull back on interest rate hikes until inflation gets under control. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, just a whole bunch of nothing coming out of today. They're not going to change any plans. They're going to stick to it. So they're going to keep hiking it up aggressively for the time being until we start to see some results. So this was the big news today. A whole bunch of no news. Typical Fed minutes. All right, last article here. And this has to do with monkeypox. Not really finance related. But yeah, let's read. Monkeypox cases jumped 20% in the last week to 35,000 across 92 countries, WHO says. Infections increased by nearly 7,500 to more than 35,000 cases total across 92 countries, according to the World Health Organization. Nearly all cases are reported in Europe and the Americas among men who have relations with other men. So rainbow men, according to the WHO. Global vaccine supplies are limited, and there's limited data on the shot's effectiveness in the current outbreak. All right, so yeah, this is getting worse and worse. It is a growing concern here. So be careful, guys. This mostly affects rainbow men, but I read something that you can transmit it between like animals now. So yeah, be careful, guys. Stay safe. So not an emergency, but definitely concerning here. All right. So give me a second. Let me pull up low roller stuff, and let's catch up on some comments while that loads up. All right, got a lot of stuff here. think I got everything. Alright, I think I got all the links there. I'll call a stablecoin. Look how much percent go up today. If you bought yesterday, you were printing a lot of moon today. Yeah. What up 90%? 1 cent to 90. So risky stuff, but yeah. Shout out to whoever bought a Kala at a cent. You're crazy. You can buy a Kala stablecoin at KuCoin. Yeah, so you can't get on KuCoin without a VPN. Bed Bath & Beyond about to cross 20 exponential moving average to the downside and the 4-hour MACD cross downside. Toilet. Where's my meme for that? Haven't used this one in a while. Yep, right down the toilet. All the gains down the toilet. The hedgies, thank you. Apple just poop itself. Your puts will print. What's up with Apple right now? Fed isn't going to stop hiking until inflation starts printing under 7 or until employment starts getting impacted. Mass layoffs could spook them. Well, 7 is still quite a bit away. What are we at now? Like 9? Right? Something like that. So it actually is going down now, but we still got a long way to go until 2, which is when they're going to stop hiking. I hope monkeypox is next C19. We can get more stimulus. Check for us. Yeah, I doubt it. Money printer's off. It was good while it lasted. I don't think we're getting. I don't think we're getting more money. Rainbow Men, LMA. Yeah. Shout out to the Rainbow Men out there. Nice. 174 was where it was when minutes came out, then ran above 1776. I like apple poop. Damn, BBIG pop after hours. Yep, it's mooning here in the aftermarket, and BBIG getting wrecked. Clown on me for cutting my 176 short position. Clown, give me the clown plus dumpster, please. On what, Apple? All right, if you want it, dude. Clown. Where's my dumpster? There you go. That's for you, Zach. It's not all that bad. I feel you, though. Missed opportunity. 500k candle. Yeah, it's up to a 169 now. Lol, nice. So not sure what's going on there, but yeah, that's definitely squeezing and Bed Bath & Beyond getting wrecked. I walked away and didn't see it cross 176, or I probably would have cut as well, Zach. Red candle after hours. Yo, what's up with Apple? Change Bed Bath & Beyond title? Yeah, I gotta do that right now. They gonna fill the gap in after hours? What's the gap at? 190, right? Yeah, I mean, certainly it can. Still got quite a ways to go to the upside for 190, but definitely possible. And I don't see a reason as to why it is, so no reason right now. Before Bed Bath & Beyond squeezing, after Bed Bath & Beyond tanking. All right. Yeah, let me change the title real quick. If there is enough space, let me see what I can do here. So we're at 10 viewers, 17 likes now. All right, cool. Give me a second here. Let me change the title. Alright. I gotta cut down on some characters here. Okay. I'll change the title again later, but that's the best I can do for now. Alright, new title. Cool. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Okay, let's get to low roller stuff here now. How is this? Colombia to prevent tax evasion with national digital currency. Alright, so, it says it would help, but they're not going to do a national digital currency. Not yet, at least. It's an idea right now. So yeah, many countries have floated this idea around. But I'm not sure if how many Colombians would actually use crypto. Probably the cartels would use it more than anything. Launder it through mixers and stuff. Alright, so, yeah. Possibly digital currency would help out Colombia here. I think it is good for for poor countries to have their own, to get into crypto and have their own currency. The Central African Republic, I think, recently did that. Alright, moving on. What's this? Doge Chain. Doge Chain NFTs, games, and DeFi for Dogecoin users. Alright. That's interesting. I don't totally trust this, but I'll look into this more. NFT games and DeFi for Dogecoin. I don't know if I'd put my Dogecoin in DeFi. It seems a bit risky. So, I don't know how to feel about this. I gotta check it out. Check it out more later. But thanks for that, low roller. What's this? Celsius. So we already went over this. Yeah. Celsius selling mine Bitcoin. What's this one? Econex closing crypto exchange due to high competition, falling volumes. Yeah, we went over this yesterday. Econex is I think they're based in Hong Kong, and the closing shop. Yeah, we talked about this yesterday. What's this one? NFL franchise Houston Texans to accept cryptocurrencies for single game suites. That's pretty cool. There's no downside to that. Bullish for crypto. I don't think they're going to get many purchases, but that's pretty cool. Like I said, no downside. So I like it. I like it. I don't think it's really going to do anything, but good idea. Good idea. They take Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. All right. Good for the Texans. Bullish for the Texans, bullish for crypto. But again, I don't think many people are actually going to pay for stuff in crypto. EOS jumped 20%, biggest gain in 15 months. What's fueling? Yeah, what is fueling EOS? Incentive launch? Yield plus incentive program. They're going to attract DeFi. Alright, so, yeah, apparently, this incentive program is what's driving the yield, the coin up. I just hope it's not going to be another Ponzi, like Terra, you know? Kind of what it sounds like. Or what it might turn into. But alright, last one, BitBoy versus Atozi. YouTube sues YouTuber for defamation, emotional distress. BitBoy says he now suffers from depression after Atozi called him a dirtbag who promoted scams, but he recently admitted to promoting failed coins. Alright. Cool. So, I'm not surprised. I don't even really, watch other YouTubers. I have heard of these two, though. So, YouTuber drama here. Well, yeah, he did pump poop coins, and the SEC should probably come after this guy. But come on, man. Grow up here. Really? Suffering from depression? Bruh. Get out of here. People so soft nowadays.
Bruh.
Sounds like a bunch of BS. He just wants him to shut up, you know. Stop hating. So, I don't think anything is really wrong here. And, you know, these people got way too much money for their own good. You know, if they feel like suing you, they'll sue you. But alright, cool, thanks for that. Some, crypto drama going on here. YouTube crypto drama. I don't really care. Hope it works out. But yeah, people are going soft nowadays. CNBC dude said sell Apple. That's all I can see. Who? Okay. I don't think it's moving that much, right? Down 0.5% after hours. I'll take it. Yeah, so not the biggest move. Slight move there. But I really don't know why it's moving down. Apple was up 0.88% today. Hope it gives it all back and then some. All right, well, yeah, me too. For your sake, 10. Hope it works out. Don't forget to check out Colin Stablecoin and CoinMarketCap. How much goes up in one day? Yeah, went up 90%, did it not? These two crypto YouTubers have 1 million subscribers now. Yeah, it probably got them more subs than anything. Maybe fake. Maybe not, but it's definitely helping the sub count. Yeah, they got too much money. All right, so that's all the articles for today, guys. Good stuff. A lot of articles to get through. And we're a bit behind here. 15 minutes behind, in terms of time. But that's cool. All right, so on to the TA today. Once again, we're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG. Damn, BBIG's up to 177 now? Bruh. Yeah, when? It might actually fill the gap. Maybe tomorrow. So congrats to you, Win. I bet you're printing fat tindies right now, and yeah, dude, tomorrow probably sell. I think 190 sell order is a good idea. Not financial advice, but I'd probably sell now or definitely tomorrow if I were you. Not financial advice, but you know, you're printing big here, gotta be happy. You know, cash out soon. That's what I would do. If BBIG price action holds, my God, all those 150 calls. Yeah. We'll see if it holds. I have a feeling it's not going to hold. But it's probably going to keep going tomorrow. So congrats to you. And yeah, good luck. Let us know what's going on there. I thought there's no chance. I'm wrong again. BBIG, you piece of... Well, $3. $3. The other guy, forgot who it was, but he said he had $3 strikes, so I don't think that's going to work. 181 now. Holy crap, 182. This is crazy. 183. What is going on?
Bruh.
And whoever had the $3 calls will probably be green if it can sneak above $2. Yeah, there's a chance. There's a shot. So not sure who it is. Who was it? Kyler? Forgot who it said. Yeah, Kyler Forbick. It may be your lucky day, dude. If you're still here, it may be your lucky day. If I was you, I'd sell tomorrow. Hopefully you're in the green, but if not, you know, you did make a lot of money back. 186. What is going on? Bruh. 186. This is nuts. Wow. Okay. So keep an eye on that. And BBIG's back up to 19. Or BBBY, my bad. Big volume too. Yeah. 179 mil today. Major volume. All or nothing. Those $3 calls will be worth more than 2 cents he paid for them. Will they? I mean, that's good. That's really great. I just hope he hits the sell button. Bed Bath & Beyond moving into BBIG. Let's hope so. It could be. Definitely seems like Bed Bath & Beyond is done, and BBIG is going hard here. Please, for the love of all that is good and holy in the stock market, sell those calls. Yes. Well, you know, can't control what the apes do here, but that would be a good idea. Hitting the sell button. I don't think he's still here, but yeah, Kyler, if you're still here, You should probably hit the sub button first thing in the morning. Not financial advice. Okay, guys. Look, BBIG called 3-strike in your stream. Yeah, that guy said he had a 3-strike. I think he's in the money, though, right now. 186. Yep, it's gonna push 190. It's actually happening. Crazy stuff. Yep, I hope they open at like 5 cents over 100%. Yeah, that'd be something. That'd be something. Gotta hit the sell button for sure. Alright, guys. So, once again, we're gonna do Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG. So, yeah, we're definitely gonna finish. Definitely gonna be like close to a 3-hour show. Probably gonna take like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, to do these 2 TAs. Don't have too many Yolos, but by then it'll be like almost 6:30. So yeah, we're gonna finish 6:30 to like 7 today. Gonna be a long show, which I did expect. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Let me just check YouTube real quick, take a quick drink, and we'll get started on the TA here. And yeah, my apologies in advance. It's gonna be pretty boring from this point on. It's gonna be me talking for like an hour. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here, and thanks for sticking around. And bear with me here while I just, talk a lot for the next hour. Alright, let me check YouTube. We're at 11 viewers, 17 likes. Alright. So, still a lot of viewers. Thank you guys. If you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you.
I appreciate you.
Alright, it's going back down now a little bit. 181, 182 in BBIG. So, we'll keep an eye on this. Alright, Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG. So, quick drink and let's do it. What is, by the way, what's the sub count at now? Did I get any new subs? Got a few. I'm at 1147 now. Yeah, I did get a few subs. There was so much call buying on BBIG. Going to keep an eye on it and see what it opens at tomorrow. I'll report back and let you know. Alright, dude. Yeah. Don't really know what's going on right now, but definitely squeezing. Not sure who's doing all the squeezing, though. Institutions or apes. Kind of seems like institutions, to be honest. But alright, let's do it, guys. Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG. Alright. Well, let's do it. So here is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. This finishes at $23.08 today. That is up 11.77%.
Winning.
But in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back very significantly. This is pulling back very significantly down to 1850.
And it's gone.
So we've been covering this stock for over 2 weeks now. This is the hot meme stock right now. The retail favorite on social media, StockTwits and Reddit. So this stock and a bunch of other meme and low float stocks have been squeezing. And while most of those stocks have since pulled back, this stock just keeps on ripping to the upside. This went all the way from the low of 440 up to the high of 30 today, which would be over a 580% upside. So massive upside potential so far. I'm very happy for the apes. But this is getting extremely dangerous. And it does appear like the squeeze is starting to wind down and come to an end. Okay. So I honestly didn't expect this to go over $15, but here we are. And let's see. Once again, this was number 1 on StockTwits today. Had over 18,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze. it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Well, so there was no company-specific news to justify the price action to the upside today. Again, this is just really social media driven. This is just really social media driven right now. Apes in here, still strong. Still trying to squeeze the stock. However, towards the end of the day, right before closing, we did have some negative PR come out. So let's check that out real quick. Doesn't even say here on TD. Gotta check IBKR. Okay. So Ryan Cohen filed a Form 144. It says that he's going to sell 9.45 million shares of Bed Bath & Beyond through JP Morgan. Which is his entire stake. So this is still new information. Nobody knows if he actually sold. Nobody knows if he actually sold or is going to sell. But Ryan Cohen will be selling if he hasn't already. Which I did say yesterday. I did say that if he hasn't sold already, he's definitely going to sell. And I did get a lot of hate for that. But here we are today. Okay. Right. So let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. And this is going to be more or less the same from yesterday, just with the updated price action. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 440. There can be multiple possible tops. It can be $30, which it hit today. And if the top is $30, the cup and handle would currently be a bearish indicator. Because that means this is due for some significant some significant pullback to form the handle. But longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 31.70, 39.30, $40, 44.55, or even the high of 53.90. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be $30. Or 31.70. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is. But yeah, $30 would be bearish, and anything above $30 would be bullish. Okay. Here we have an ascending channel. Right now, the upper channel is at 24.5, and the lower channel is at 17. So if this breaks 24.5 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this breaks 17 to the downside, that would be bearish. So this did in fact break 24.50 today, and this was bullish. But it has since pulled back. So the ascending channel is currently a neutral indicator, and this may very well be a bearish indicator very soon. Again, if this breaks $17 to the downside. Gap up. Oh, bull flag. So in the previous shows, we did have this bull flag here. That was a bullish indicator. That was suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside. It did in fact break out, and a new bear flag and a new bull flag was formed. That was another bullish indicator. Again, that was suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside. It did in fact break out to the upside again, and here today we have a new, even bigger bull flag forming. No confirmation just yet, but here's the flag pull. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that the stock may be due for another breakout. Okay. Now for the bearish stuff in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to $19. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. And then we do have a triple gap up. It's pretty difficult to see, but the first gap up was back at 13.30. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 13.30 to fill that gap. Second gap up was back at 8.30, so another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 8.30 to fill that gap. And the final gap up was back at 6.50. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 6.50 to fill that gap. And all of those gaps should fill in the short term. Okay, got everything. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. I heard Cohen has $80 and $60 calls. Yeah, he did. But that doesn't mean he's gonna hold them until they hit 60. So yeah, that's what he had along with shares, and now he's dumping everything. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, The link to the chart is in the description down below. Cool, where are we at? 2310, right? So right now this is sitting on the support of 2310, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 2345, 2370, 24, 2420, 2450, 2530, 2580, 2640, 2670, 2725, 2775, 2810, 2855, 2885, 2920, 2955, and then $30. There is resistance above $30, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 2280, 2245, 2205, 2160, 2125, 2090, 2055, 2015, 1965, 1930, 1890, 1855, 1835, 1805, 1780, 1750, 1710, 1665, 1620, 1565, 1530, 1490, 1450, 1420, 1380, 1340, 1295, 1260, $12, 1170, 1125, 1090, 1055, 1015, and then 965. There is support below 965, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now with the current price, 2310, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 715 to the downside, the channels start to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 715 to the downside. RSI is currently at 89, so this is very deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. Although, it'll definitely open lower because this is pulling back pretty hard here in the aftermarket. And this did 256 million in volume today, which is the second biggest volume day of the year. After yesterday. So very significant volume, way above the average of 11 million. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Although it does appear like momentum is cooling off. So the squeeze might be coming to an end here. And I forgot to mention. So during a short squeeze, the fundamentals and the technicals don't matter as much as normal, but they're still very helpful. So take this with a grain of salt, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Hello, Korean holder knows FUD news. Alright, dude, I don't know what your name is. I can't read Korean. Sorry about that. But welcome to the show and the community.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
You're a holder of what? Bed Bath & Beyond or BBIG? And what FUD news? What FUD news are you talking about? But thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. All right. And BBIG is pulling back down to 168 now. Okay. So yeah, it's been an epic short squeeze so far. Over 580% from the low to the high. So like I said, I'm very happy for the apes so far. But this is starting to look very bearish in the short term. Yes. I've been saying in the previous shows that I think 30, that I don't think this would go farther than 30, that I don't think this would go higher, that I don't think that this would go higher than 30. And it does appear like 30 was some very critical resistance and very well could be the top of the squeeze here. As with every short squeeze, it's going to have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. And it does appear like the pullback is starting. So be very careful, guys. It's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. Someone's going to get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. So make sure you set your sell orders, your stop losses. Don't be too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. There's nothing wrong with hitting the sell button. Diamond hands is not the way. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I would not do that. This damn ambulance. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this is starting to look pretty bearish at this point. We have some pretty strong bearish indicators in the cup and handle. Triple gap up, aftermarket action, and high RSI. And the ascending channel could also soon be a bearish indicator. So way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. And the momentum is cooling off, losing volume here. So it does appear like to me that the squeeze is likely over, and it's going to pull back from here. It's pretty hard to predict how high this will potentially squeeze, because there are no gap downs to go off of. But again, I think the most realistic top would be $30, and from the current price of $23.10, that would be let's see. $30%. that would be about a 30% upside potential. So still a pretty decent amount of upside potential here in the short term. And again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 23.10, that would be over a 70% downside potential. So massive downside potential here in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, 23.10, would be a high risk, high reward play. Not really worth it, in my opinion. Going long seems to be straight up. Going long seems to be FOMO right here. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But honestly, if you're a little bit patient here, again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap. And I think that would be an excellent entry. A way better entry than the current price of 23.10. And at 650, there's massive upside potential in the longer term and really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. That's near the all-time low. So I would say going long at 650 would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong there. So I don't like the current entry of 23.10, but I can support going long at 650. And if it pulls back where the gap is, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports on the chart. All right, I think I got that there. So you're saying easy short, putting it all because of you? Well, first of all, what up, Finno? What's up? I am saying easy short, yes, but this is not financial advice. So do whatever you want at your own risk. And I think you're trolling. But if you're not, I would recommend you not go all in. That's not smart investing. That is gambling. I think you're trolling. Pretty sure you're trolling though, dude. But yeah, thanks for being here. Once again. Ryan Cohen files to sell his entire Bed Bath & Beyond position within 90 days, Yahoo Finance. Yeah, so nobody knows if he's sold yet or he's going to sell. But either way, it's bearish. And like I said, the ape said he's not doing it. And look what happens today. I called it. I said that was going to happen. Apes are like, no, he's not. No, he's not. All right. Now, if you want to go short, now financial advice. Looks like a pretty good play to me. And I know that's not a popular opinion. And I know that's not a popular opinion. Don't hate me, guys, but I'm just reading the chart here. Again, a lot of bearish indicators. Again, a lot of strong bearish indicators right now, and this looks like it's due for some pretty significant pullback. Why do I piss off the apes? Because I tell the truth here. I tell the truth, and I'm like, don't be stupid. And apparently, I'm the stupid one. I try to help people. I try to help people save money. I try to tell them, don't ape. If you're going to ape, be a responsible ape. But blah, 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 blah. People think they're geniuses. You try to tell a financial professional that you know better than them. Which sometimes they do, but most of the time, no. They like you more when the stock goes up. Yeah, no one likes a rainbow bear. But rainbow bears are realistic. I like to think of myself as like restoring order to the market. I think rainbow bears are like, like the gatekeepers of the stock market. They ensure everything is, in balance. So, shout out to the rainbow bears. But apes don't like them. I like rainbow bears and apes. I like everyone. I just try to help everyone make money. Anyway. Yeah, what was I saying? Forgot to mention too on the other. Yeah, forgot to mention before. This already moons quite a bit to the upside. I think you missed a chance, and going along here at 23.10 would pretty much be FOMO at this point. All right, back to the bear stuff. So yeah. Again, we have a lot of strong bearish indicators right now. Way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. This is losing momentum, volume going down. Ryan Cohen dumping his entire stake. So yes, this appears to be very bearish right now, and this appears like it's due for a significant pullback. So again, in the short term, this has the potential to come back up to 30, which was what, a 30% upside. Yeah, which is a 30% upside potential. And again, this should come back down to 650 in the short term to fill the gap there. And that would be over a 70% downside potential. So I would say going short here at the current price, 23.10 would also be a high risk, high reward play. A bit risky here because this is still short squeezing. Ape's not giving up just yet, so anything can happen, although unlikely. Again, it does appear like the squeeze is winding down and coming to an end. So as long as you're able to withstand the upside pressure here, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap, and that should be some pretty fat tendies on the downside here. So I can support going short at the current price, 23.10 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is for a relatively easy 70% downside gain. All right. So congratulations to everyone. Well, so congratulations to everyone who made money. So congratulations to everyone, and sorry to everyone. Well, so congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, that took way longer than I expected, but got that over with. And on to BBIG, which, what is it at right now? 170, so it pulled back, but still massive price action here. Bears and hedge funds are the reason short squeezes happen. Well, apes are the real reason short squeezes happen, but it definitely takes both sides, bears and hedge funds and apes, to make a short squeeze happen. Yes. Example, Bed Bath & Beyond. Uno reverse card on Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond was literally $5 1 month ago. Yeah, the low is $4.40 and the high is $30, so 600% upside gain. Almost 600%. So crazy stuff. I love the reverse card. Yeah, it's highly entertaining. Kind of sad because a lot of apes got wrecked, but highly entertaining. I try to warn people, but apes don't want to listen. All right, next up, BBIG, and then we'll get to the Yolos. So let me just quickly check some stuff here. Let me check StockTwits. Okay, yes. All right, gonna take a quick drink. Let me check YouTube real quick. Take a quick drink, and we'll finish up here with BBIG. All right, 11 viewers, 19 likes. So still a lot of people in here. Thank you, guys. I was expecting a lot of people to dip, because the TA is the boring part. But appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. But it's been a great show already. And we're almost at a record. The record is, well, the record was 26. We're at 19 right now. So, yeah, if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Let's try to break that record. All right, let's do BBIG. Okay. Let's do it here. Losing some frames. We good now? Why am I lagging now? It's always at the most inconvenient times that the frames drop. Come on. Alright. I think we're good now. Still a little laggy. Whatever. Can't do anything about that. Alright, let's do it here. So here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $1.39 today. That is up 23.01%. Come on. Where are my frames? Something going on here with my, something running in the background? No, I don't think so. Alright, let's try it one more time. And apes. Alright, yeah. Frames are not cooperating right now. So, I'll just have to do that again later. Alright. Cool. So, we talked about the stock yesterday. This stock got unhalted. Well, alright. So if you guys haven't been following this stock, in the past few months, there's been a lot of drama. The whole Cryptide drama thing happened. The whole hostile takeover thing happened. And then the NASDAQ halted the stock due to a lack of information. And, of course, here comes the sirens. Oh, fire truck. Alright, 1 second, guys. Gonna mute. Let me play the apes while we're at it, actually. Alright, so we're doing pretty good on sirens there. But now I hear a bunch. Alright, I think it's over. Alright, where was I? Oh boy, I think I hear some other sirens in the background. Hopefully they don't come this way. Um, yeah. So the whole Cryptide drama thing happened. The whole hostile takeover thing happened, and then the stock got halted because it was no longer in compliance with Nasdaq rules. Um, so that was pretty nerve wracking. Um, but yesterday, once this got unhalted, it started gamma squeezing. It started squeezing. And for no reason, no company specific news to justify that price action. Um, and then today, and then the momentum continued into today. Um, even more price action, even more volume. And in the aftermarket here, this is continuing to squeeze up to 170 now. So not really sure why this is squeezing. No company specific news. But I'm very happy for the apes. This was number 4 on StockTwits today. Had over 5,500 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Okay. And this is going to be more or less the same from yesterday, just with the updated price action. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. I think it's about time for a BBIG share offering. Well, now would be the time to do it, especially if they're running low on money. That would really piss the apes off. I'm sure they don't care, though. They haven't cared up to this point. But yeah. Actually, Bed Bath & Beyond offering would be a good time to do it. All meme stocks that are squeezing right now, good time to do an offering. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 67 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 225. $260, $305, or even $340. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to the high of 1250. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 225 or 260. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So yesterday, we had this descending channel that was forming. The upper channel was at 70 cents, and the lower channel was at 45 cents. So if it broke 70 cents, that would be bullish, and if it broke 45, that would be bearish, and this did in fact break 70 cents to the upside. So the ascending channel was a bullish indicator. And today, we have an even bigger descending channel forming here. Right now, the upper channel is at 120, and the lower channel is at 50. So if this broke 120 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this broke 50 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So this did in fact break 120 today. So this new descending channel is currently a bullish indicator. Right. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 170. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will run to the upside as well. And then we have 5 gap downs. First gap down was back here at 955, so that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 955 to fill this gap. Second gap down back at 745, so another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 745 to fill this gap. Third gap down back at 585, so another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 585 to fill this gap. Fourth gap down back at 275, so another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 275 to fill that gap, to fill this gap. And the final gap down was back at 190. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 190 to fill this gap. These two gaps at 190 and 275 should fill in the short term. The other three may take a while to fill, but eventually in the longer term they should. So a quintuple gap down, extremely bullish. We also have a gap up back at 73 cents. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 73 cents to fill this gap. And that gap should fill in the short term. And last one. Oh, Kyler's back. Bro, tell me my magic ball worked and I'm going to be rich. Yeah, dude, so we're looking at BBIG right here in the aftermarket. I actually think your calls, your $3 calls are in the money now. I'm not exactly sure. We're not going to know until tomorrow. But not financial advice. Dude, first thing in the morning, I would sell those calls you have. I would definitely sell tomorrow or Friday. Probably tomorrow, because Friday it expires. Yeah, I'd sell it first thing in the morning. And if you're lucky enough, you might even be in the green. But if not, you definitely made a lot of money back, and you should be able to escape here with a small loss or a gain, actually. So, yeah, dude, you're getting bailed out here. You're getting lucky, and yeah, dude, it's a no-brainer. You gotta hit the sell button tomorrow. That's what I would do, at least. Not financial advice. But it's probably a good idea to hit the sell button first thing in the morning. Okay. So yeah, good luck to you, Kyler. Let us know what happens. All right. And finally here, we do have a symmetrical triangle forming. Right now, the upper channel is at 140, and the lower channel is at 80 cents. So there's a lot of consolidation to go here, but eventually this should consolidate around 110, and from there it should break out either way, either to the upside or the downside. So the symmetrical triangle is currently a neutral indicator. Okay. No, when? 10-4 is, Roger, like in the military. 10-4. No, I think he has 500 $3 calls, if I somewhere up there in the chat. 500 $3 calls, yes. Police talk, yeah, police talk. Not military, police talk, 10-4. I remember hearing that in Call of Duty all the time. 10-4. You're on your stealth mission, 10-4. Lucky, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's all you need. Sometimes it's better to be lucky. It's better to be lucky than to be, be skilled. So, don't complain. Be happy. Yes, 500. Yes, 500, brother. I'm an idiot. No, you're not an idiot, dude. That is kind of apish. But everything's a learning lesson. So just be very grateful that you're going to be able to escape this either with a gain or a small loss. And yeah, learning lesson. And luckily you got away with it this time. And next time around, just be a little more careful. But we've all been there. The only way you learn, well, not the only way, but the best way to learn is to, make mistakes and make sure they never happen again. So I'm glad for you, dude. So we paid $3 each. It might fill the gap 255 tomorrow, wishful thinking. Yeah, I highly doubt that. But I sure hope so for the apes. So we paid $3 for each. I'm not sure what it's at now. But I think it should be worth more than 3 cents, $3 tomorrow. We'll see though. But yeah, but take advantage of the high IV. I'd hit the sell button first thing. Now financial advice. Also truck driver talk. Yeah, I guess it's any type of like radio talk, I guess. 10-4. Okay. Let's back up to 175 now. Alright, I think I got everything there. Back to 179 now. Wow. Alright. Cool. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay, cool. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 145 and 135. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 145, 160, 175, 190, 195, $2, 205, 215, 220, 225, 230, 240, 245, 250, 260, 265, 270, 275, 285, 290, 295, $3, 305, 310, 315, 320, 325, 330, 340, and then 350. There is resistance above 350, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 135, 125, 120, 115, 110, 105, $1, 85 cents, 77 cents, 73 cents, 71 cents, and then the low of 67 cents. All right. So right now at the current price, 139, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 190 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant increase in price action. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 190 to the upside. Let's see. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 110, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 110. But then below $1, the channels open up and get wide again. So from 139 down to 110, expect big price action. From 110 down to $1, expect normal price action. And then below $1, expect significant price action again. Expect big price action again. RSI is currently at 60, so not quite overbought and overvalued. But that is above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 139 should be a little bit lower. And tomorrow the RSI will definitely be higher when the market opens. So it actually may be it may actually be overbought and overvalued right now, but we're not going to know until tomorrow. And this did 166 million in volume today. So very significant volume. Way above the average of 27 million. So this pump / squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. Now's a good time to play the apes. Or maybe not. One more time. Alright, that was better. Alright, I just accidentally clicked on my settings. Alright, cool. Back to this. There were a crap ton of 1.5 and 3 calls bought. Market makers will be forced to buy shares to make sure they can cover those options if they finish in the money, stay above 150. Yeah, $3 would be something. I highly doubt it, but 150 is looking good right now. What is going on with AMC? Is it time to buy or wait? All right, we'll take a look at AMC after we're done here. Almost done. It's just kind of hard to analyze AMC. The chart's not that great, but we'll take a look at there. We'll take a look there. All right, Wen says, I hope so. Yeah, I hope so too, for your guys' sake, for Kyler and Wen, and all you other BBIG apes. Okay. The hell was I just saying? Right. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. I also forgot to mention. So during short squeezes, the fundamentals and technicals don't matter as much, but they're still very helpful. So take this with a grain of salt, guys. All right. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So it's been pretty rough it's been a pretty rough year for the stock. This squeezed all the way up to $12.50 and has since pulled back to under $1. And then of course we had all that drama again with Cryptide, the hostile takeover, and the halting. But thankfully that's all done with now. And the stock can finally start to recover. So long term, the stock still looks really bullish. Again, we have some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, descending channel, quintuple gap down, and aftermarket action. In the short term, there appears to be more upside to go because this is still squeezing. But at some point, as with every short squeeze, it probably will pull back pretty significantly. So just be careful, guys. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Um, the current price of 139 is a pretty decent entry. A below average entry, but if you're willing to hold here for the long term, it's not so bad. Let's see here. Again, eventually in the longer term, this should come back up to 955 to fill the gap there. Do some math. Yes. So from the current price of 139, that would be over a 585% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term. My only concern is that, again, there's a gap up at 73 cents. So that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back down there to fill that gap. So from the current price of 139, that would be about a 50% downside potential. So also a lot of downside potential here. So also a pretty good amount of downside potential here in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, 139, would be a high risk, very high reward play. Again, if you're going to buy and hold for the long term, it is a pretty decent entry. Forgot to mention too. And it does appear like the squeeze is still on. A lot of momentum, a lot of volume here today. All right. Yeah, so so the current entry of 139 is not such a bad entry if you're willing to buy and hold for the long term. And if you want to quick scalp this, and if you just want to, if you just want to play the stock for a short term trade, for a quick scalp, this is a pretty decent entry as well. All right. But honestly, if you're a bit patient here, again, this should pull back down to 73 cents to fill the gap there, in the short term. And I think that would be an excellent entry, a way better entry than the current price of 139. At 73 cents, there's massive upside potential. So from 73 cents up to 955, that would be over a 1,200% upside potential. So even more massive upside potential here. If you were to go long at 73 cents. And it really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. That is near the all-time low of 67 cents. So I would say going long at 73 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So I don't like the current entry of 139, although it's really not that bad. But I can't support going long at 73 cents where the gap is. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice. It seems like a pretty decent play right now. Just a bit risky. Let's see here. Just a bit risky because, again, this is still in the middle of a short squeeze. And this looks really bullish in the long term. All right, let's see here. Do the math again. Oh, my bad. So again, this should eventually come back up to 955 to fill the gap there, and that would be over a 585% upside potential in the long term. And again, this should fill the gap at 73 cents to fill the gap there. And again, this should pull back down to 73 cents to fill the gap there. Which would be about a 50% downside potential in the short term. So I would say going short at the current price. 139 would be a very high risk, high reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. It's a bit too risky for my liking right now. But I think if you hold off for a bit, if you're a bit patient here, you should be able to get some very good entries on the short side coming up. This should keep squeezing in the next few trading sessions, and this may come back up to 190 or 275. I think both of those are really good entries on the short side. Let's see here. Um, at 190, there really shouldn't be too much more upside potential. And there would be about a 60% downside potential to fill the gap at 73 cents. Great, here comes. Oh, nope, they turned it off. So what? Well, I didn't turn it off. Let's read some comments real quick. Ultimo says, love the channel name. Appreciate that. And welcome to the show and the community. No news on AMC. I had lines drawn at 21.25 and 19.50. Kind of no man's land from big move from Friday, August 5th. Yeah, well, it seems like some healthy pullback because it has been squeezing. So, no justification, but probably some healthy pullback. What up, Alan? Party next squeeze. Yeah, fake news on Bed Bath & Beyond. Ryan Cohen didn't sell anything. Well, he hasn't. All right, so it's still unclear right now. And John Jacobs says, I'm unsubbing. He didn't sell anything. You clown. Fought to sell eventually. All right, cool, dude. I don't know why you guys are so butthurt. So, yeah, no one knows if he sold or he's going to sell. But either way, it's bearish. I don't know what you're getting mad about. Like, he's going to sell if he didn't already. Which I said he would, and you guys didn't believe me. And he did, so. All right, cool, whatever. So, yes, so the title is probably not accurate, but, this is breaking news. We're still getting information. So, sorry if everything's not 100% accurate, but whatever. Your headline says it. Well, no one knows. No one knows. It is not confirmed or denied yet, but he either is going to sell or he already sold it. So if it makes you guys feel better, I'll change it at the end of the show. I already changed it once. But I'll change it again if it makes you guys feel better. But either way, it's bearish. Look at blue. All right, sure, we'll look at that. Cool. All right, let's get back to this. I don't even know what the hell I was just saying. Oh, so I think at 190, there really shouldn't be too much more upside potential and a lot of downside potential. About a 60% downside potential to fill the gap at 73 cents. So I think going short at 190 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely a way better entry than the current one of 139. So I don't like the current. So I don't like going short. So I don't like the current entry of 139 on the short side, but I can support going short at 190 and higher. And from there, this should pull back down to 73 cents to fill the gap. And that should be, and you should be able to make about 60% to the downside there. Again, just a bit risky. So if you want to go short, please do it. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But it looks like a pretty decent play. Okay. I think that's everything. Let me just make sure I got everything there. Yeah, I got everything. I think I did at least. Best it's gonna get. Alright. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Alright. If he sells, it will add more downward pressure on the stock. I kind of hope this dump happened because he sold RIP the Band-Aid off. Then it can go up again. Yeah. So, no one knows if he did or he did not sell. You know, so... we should not jump to conclusions right now and wait for more information. But either way, if he didn't sell, he's gonna sell, which is bearish. So I don't know what the apes are getting mad about. You know, doesn't make a difference. It's bearish. All right, so we're done with the TA, guys. That took a lot of time, way longer than I expected, about half an hour longer. But that's over with. So from now what are we doing? We have to look at a bunch of these. All right, we're looking at, what are we looking at? I've already forgot what stocks you guys want me to look at. PRTY and Blue. And if anything else I missed, put in the chat right now, guys. So Party City. Okay, so this one looks bullish long term, but it's getting very dangerous. Very dangerous here. 82 RSI. But the gap did not fill at $3 yet. So this may keep running to $3 and eventually should come back up to $8.30 to fill the gap there and pick up and handle. So long term looks really bullish. Short term, I think this may come back up to $3, but good chance it does actually. It's still squeezing. But this is so a bit more upside to go in the short term, but definitely going to pull back very significantly. So yeah, so squeezing right now. Just be careful, guys. So long-term bullish, short-term bullish, but eventually going to turn bearish. Careful on this one. And Bluebird Bio. I remember this one. I think I played this one a couple of times. All right, so this one. All right, so this one long-term bullish, same thing, cup and handle. 13. Gap at 13. Another gap at 24. Yeah, so long-term really bullish. But short-term, it's starting to look bearish. RSI is at 66 right now. So not quite overbought and overvalued, but definitely getting up there. So it's starting to look bearish. And squeezing the aftermarket here. So now it probably is overbought, overvalued. So yeah, long-term bullish, short-term bearish, I would say, on this one. All right, so that's it for the TA, guys. Let's get on to the Yolos. All right, give me a second here to pull this stuff up. But this should go pretty fast. Not too many today, and they're mostly memes. But I'm sure there's a lot of lost corn right now that I didn't pick out. That's okay. That's okay. We can look at it tomorrow. And you know what? While that loads up, I'll just fix the title real quick so no one gets offended anymore. Files. Ryan Cohen files to sell stake. Alright. Ryan Cohen files to sell. Okay? Boom. Fixed. Ryan Cohen files to sell. Not that he's going to sell. All right? So I hope you guys are happy about that. Here, 2-minute video. Stalker came in his house. All right, if we got time, I'll watch it. I think we'll have time. This should go pretty fast. How long do you think this bear market will last? I feel like 2024 is reasonable. Honestly, probably by the end of, or in the middle of 2023. So historically, recessions, or not recessions, but actually, yeah, recessions. Historically, recessions last about 450 days on average, around there. So that's about a year and a half. Like 500 days, we'll just call it. That's about a year and a half. So, so the bear market started in the beginning of 2022. So, yeah, probably in the middle of 2023, middle to end of 2023, would probably be when the bear market is over. But that's just me going off of historical data. But yeah, you know, good chance it goes on for another year, I would say. Yes, 2024 is reasonable. That's a little on the more conservative side, I would say. But yes, 2023 to 2024. I would say mid-2023 to late 2023 is how long it's going to last, based on historical information. Personal opinion, I think we go lower towards the end of the year, start to pull up in 2023. Yeah, well, we've been ripping really hard here for no reason, so I would not be surprised. All right, guys. Cool. Right now, we are halfway between our lows from June and all-time highs. Who knows, maybe the bottom is already in. I think the bottom is in, but I think we're due for some significant pullback. And I still can't believe we ripped all the way back up. 50% from the low in like, what, a month and a half? That's crazy stuff. Very unnatural. Doesn't make any sense. So I'm not convinced. But yeah, I think another year or so, we're gonna be in a bear market. All right, guys. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please and thank you. All right. So today should be fun. We have a lot of Yolos here. We have 10 Yolos in total. Mostly memes, like half memes, and a lot of gain cord, which might be lost core now, actually. So yeah, this should be fun. Let's do it, guys. Nothing too serious. First one is by Birdzilla26. Kramer says Bed Bath & Beyond is being manipulated. Isn't that exactly what he is trying to do? F this guy and his hatred for the retail investor. All right, so we got a Jim Kramer tweet here. I am focused on Bed Bath because it is obviously being manipulated, but no one knows who is a member of the group that is doing the manipulation, and I do not subpoena power. Darn it. All right. So, yes, Bed Bath & Beyond was being manipulated by, you know, Reddit, by the apes. Yeah, so Kramer is definitely hating on the apes here. Now, I don't hate the apes, but Kramer definitely does not like the apes, and the apes don't like him. And yeah, typical hedgy. You know, he's not a hedgy anymore, but ex-hedgy. You know, so when you break the rules, and manipulate, it's okay. But when it goes the other way, then it's not okay. Then oh my God, you know, all hell breaks loose. Ryan Cohen is manipulated. Yeah, Ryan Cohen definitely manipulated. He should get subpoenaed by Congress and the SEC, going for a hearing. If Deep F and Value did it, then Ryan Cohen definitely should get subpoenaed. Okay. But yeah, you know, clowning on Jim Kramer, once again. Shout out to Jim Kramer. Shout out to Jim Kramer. All right, next one. By Lucius Megan. Bed Bath & Beyond technical analysis. Diamond Hands certified going to the moon LMAO. All right, so here's some very advanced technical analysis. So here we have the bath indicator, right? Kind of an ugly one, but sure, okay. Bath indicator. Here's the bed indicator. And here's the beyond indicator. So, yes, very advanced technical analysis here. Super bullish. It is definitely going to moon. Totally kidding, guys. But that's good stuff. So yeah, what is this? Is like a cup and handle, and he drew a. I mean, that's a cup. I mean, I guess it's a tub, yeah. But yeah, the Bath Bet and Beyond indicator here, super bullish, good stuff. A pullback would be healthy, yes. I actually do want to pull back so I can load the boat. I ain't loading the boat here. Waiting, hitting the lottery jackpot. I can finally get married. Having money, you can have advantage since I can afford to start a family as soon as possible. Well, you know, you shouldn't, you know, I hope you hit the lottery, but good chance you never do. So, and plus, you don't need to hit the lottery to get married. And plus, getting married is not even all that, you know, in this day and age. You know, statistically, you're going to get divorced and get wrecked. You're going to get taken to the cleaners. So if you're going to get married, you know, nowadays people just get married for fun, and they don't really think about the consequences going down the road. So if you're going to get married, you really got to think about it. That is financial advice. Tencent says, don't need money for love, brother. Get married and figure out the rest together. Well, you don't need it for love, but it definitely helps. It's not real love, but it definitely helps you get a woman. Does make it easier, though. Yes, absolutely. So, yellow roller. So I hope you hit the lottery. But if anything, you can just go get a mail order bride. that works, you know. A lot of women would happily marry you for a visa. But yeah, you know, you don't have to get married. It's definitely not as good as it seems. And I wouldn't really know because I've never been married, but I don't plan on it. I'm eyeballing a few shares of BBIG if it gets back to 140, currently 156. All right, so it's pulling back now. Why? Nope, I lied. Not buying BBIG. Just kidding. Stay strong. Yeah, no FOMO. We all know how a Clover went. So, you know, it's tempting, these meme stocks, but you know, gotta resist. If you don't get married, you will get deleted old and lonely. Well, don't we all? Don't we all get deleted old and lonely? I know plenty of people who aren't married that live long, happy lives with lots of friends. Yeah, you know, it's not for everyone. It's definitely not for me. Yeah, I'm pretty introverted. I'm happy with myself. You don't have to get married. But, you know, I do hope everyone finds their true love. It's just not that realistic nowadays. You wouldn't be able to carry family last name if you have a baby boy. Well, yeah, that matters to a lot of people. Legacy, you know. Me personally, I don't care too much about it. But yes, to a lot of men, legacy is a big thing. So it all depends on what you want. So it sounds like you know, getting married and having kids is a priority for you, low roller, and I hope that happens. But you don't need to hit the jackpot for that, dude. You can find someone without that. Anyway, back to this. All right, by Young Craft Beer. Let it make sense. So this is by Ratchetologist. I'm over here investing in Microsoft and losing money while people making 300% on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Yep. That's how it feels. Very relatable. These apes just making money like crazy, and I'm over here doing it the right way, and good. So very relatable. Let's give it a laugh. I feel it. Alright, next one. By Blue-Eyed Bogglefish. Hodling till this is parked outside Jimmy Cramer's office. Alright, so here's a Bentley wrapped in a watermelon. Yeah, wrapped in a watermelon wrap here. So, first of all, that's really ugly. I don't know why you would do this, especially to your Bentley. And I still don't get the whole watermelon joke. Why are all the Wall Street Bets people just joking about watermelons? What is it with watermelons and Bed Bath & Beyond? I thought bananas was a thing. What's up with watermelons now? Apes don't eat watermelons. Do they? I don't think they do. Anyway. So yeah, holding till good. Congrats to you. You know, if that's what you want to do, go ahead. So, yeah. Ugly car. And I don't recommend holding. But good meme here. Wow, it's loud outside. This damn fire truck. Alright, this is by Young Dagger 179. Rockets. So, a SpongeBob meme here. people who panic sold at 18. And everyone riding Bed Bath & Beyond to Pluto. So, how the tides have turned, right? So now people panic selling at 18 don't feel too bad. And everyone riding it to everyone diamond handing is pretty upset now. So yeah. Swap them. Switcheroo here. I wouldn't feel too bad if I sold at 18. You know, that's a pretty nice gain there. And how the price action is going now, I'd feel very, very comfortable. Good stuff. Alright, this is by Lucy Lupup. This will be you if you're on the sidelines. Y'all got any more of that sub 50 Bed Bath & Beyond? So here's a Dave Chappelle meme. Nope, that's not going to be you. This was everyone, and they're all bag holding right now. So yes, again, how the tides have turned here. But now let's get on to the actual YOLOs. This should be fun, because what was gain corn is, you know, probably lost corn now. So this guy, the real Elon Musk. I know nobody cares, but Bed Bath & Beyond gain corn. Alright, so this was well done. $13 average. 95k YOLO. And he was up 105k. 109%. So this was at the high, 27. So it's definitely not worth this much anymore. But he's still up quite a bit. Average 13. So very good average here. So I hope he sold. And if not, you know, should probably sell pretty soon. At least at a stop loss. At 13 or something. But yeah, you should probably hit the sell button soon. So, you know, I like this. He got in at a good average. Yeah, good average. An insane amount of money to YOLO. I don't recommend doing that, but it worked out. And yeah, at this point, you know, hit the sell button, secure the gains before you go in the red. So the real Elon Musk, thanks for posting. Risky play, but it worked out. Congrats to you so far. You know, look to exit soon, and please post updates. All right, by Krogo Yago, 175k Bed Bath & Beyond YOLO Life Savings. This is every cent I have available. Oh my God! All right. So this was a 172k YOLO. Average $25.
And it's gone.
So the guy was up 3k. But now he's probably down quite a bit. He's probably down quite a bit here. Oh my God. How much is he down? I shouldn't be laughing, but you know, this is pretty funny. And sad, but pretty funny. Why would you YOLO at $25? Come on, bro. That's not smart. So yeah, pretty obvious, but don't YOLO your life savings, guys, into a meme stock. And, but that's the motto. Buy high, sell low, right? Anyway, what's it at now? It is at 20. What is called at 20. It's actually coming back up in the aftermarket. Not bad. Okay. So, yeah, we'll just say he lost $5. So he lost 34k. He lost 34k. Ouch. Anyway. Yeah, so terrible play. Don't YOLO your life savings into a meme stock, and don't buy high. So yeah, at this point, you should probably just hit the sell button. You lost 34k, but it's gonna get a lot worse. So terrible play. Don't really feel too bad. This was just extremely stupid. But yeah, at this point, you should probably hit the sell button, take the loss, or you're gonna lose even more. So yeah, Krogo Yago, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Terrible play, but great content. And yeah, should probably hit the sell button. But whatever happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. All right, two more. By starting 3D printing, I need some comfort. All right, so this guy, oh my God. So 60k YOLO Average 28.40. 60K YOLO. So he was down 10K. Now what is he down? Holy crap. Eight? Yeah, he's down 17K now. Down 17K. So, you need some comfort? I don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you. It's going to get worse. Hit the sell button. So, this is really bad. Again, guys, don't YOLO this amount of money on a meme stock. And don't buy high. So, you could have... He literally bought the high. 28.40. So, typical ape here. You need some comfort. I don't know, dude. Totally deserve it. Don't feel too bad. So, Epic lost Cohen here. Sorry for your loss. Starting 3D printing. Not really. Totally deserve it. Anyway, you should probably hit the sell button before you lose even more. So, sorry for your loss. Thanks for hosting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Alright, last one. By dramatic note 6232. If this hits $40, I'm going to run around my city naked, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, I highly doubt that. Alright, so this one's even worse. So, 15K YOLO, $32 how did he even get it at 32? He must have been in this for a while. and they came back for him. But yeah, 15K YOLO, $32 average. I think he's been holding this for a while. And sadly, he's probably not going to hit 40. And it's pulled back quite a bit since then. So right now he was down like $700 here. But now he's probably down now he's down 5,600. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened here, but I think he was in before the squeezed, and it was coming back for him. Unfortunately, it did not get back to 32, his average, and probably hit the sell button. You know, it's a pretty big loss, but you should probably hit the sell button, and if you want, you can rebuy later. But it's definitely coming back down. But yeah, another example, buy high, sell low. That's the motto. So I don't think it's hitting 40. And you should probably hit the sell button before it goes back down even more. So dramatic note, 6232. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And yeah, same thing. You should probably hit the sell button before you lose even more money. But thanks for posting. And please post updates. All right, I think we got one more from Low Roller. Yeah, Low Roller. I don't think we're gonna watch the video today. It's almost 7, so we gotta get out of here. So sorry about that. Your parents pressure you to get married since they want grandkids. Yeah, my mom bugs me about it, but you know, it's not happening. Not anytime soon. I'm not ready for no damn kid. I do want one eventually though. Poor dude down 40K. If it's at 20, yeah, down like 35, 40K. Go. Tyler sold Bed Bath & Beyond this morning. Yeah, he sold 27. So good sell there. He sold the high. Very, very, very happy. Very proud of him. Apple down $1 after hour. Now I just need Rivian to dump, and I'll be happy. All right. Well, it should dump. It should dump pretty soon, and I hope that works out for you. Good luck to you, 1010. Don't forget to watch Network 21268 8-minute video tonight. Yeah, I'll watch that. I'll watch that shortly, once we get off the show here. Cool. Oh, wait, we had one more. Okay. We had one more. My bad. No Roller's link. Alright. Suck my stuff, Jim Cramer. I ain't effing leaving. Okay. So, 16K or 17K YOLO, up 50K, 735%. Yeah, $6,800 YOLO, up 50K here. Wow, really nice gain. So, I doubt it's worth this much anymore. But yeah, really well done. And I'm not sure if he's still up, if he's going to be still up tomorrow, but hit the sub button for sure, whether it's a gain or a loss. Hit the sub button tomorrow. So I'm not sure when this was taken, screenshot-wise, but yeah, fat gains. Congrats to this guy. Just hit the sub button. Not sure what it's worth now, but hit the sell button for sure. First thing. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So, we went 3 hours. I said 2 to 2.5. Ended up going 3, which is cool. So these shows have been a lot longer recently, and that's because you guys are coming in and chatting, which I don't mind. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today. Really good show. We covered a lot of stuff, a lot of news, a lot of TA. Not too many YOLOs, but yeah, a lot of news, a lot of TA. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Not everyone enjoyed because my title's misleading or whatever, bro. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely one of the better shows we've had here. Appreciate everyone for coming today. All the regulars, all the new people. And that's all I got. So, if anything else, guys, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. But let me check YouTube. I think most people dipped. We're at 7 viewers, 23 likes. So, still a lot of people. 7 viewers. I definitely was expecting less people. So, appreciate everyone who's still here. All the lurkers, shout out to you guys. I see you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button on your way out. Thank you guys for the show. And yep, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So have a good night, everyone. Peace out. Catch you later. All right. I think that's it. Let's get out of here. Cool. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.